Hello everyone, it's Sophie Azam, founder and Chief Executive Officer of Skills4Startups. We are here, back from San Diego, and we are raring to go. This is our second stop as part of the International Brand Exchange tour that we're doing globally, and we are hoping to help over 100 companies today.
I showcase my business, which is sourcing honey from Gambia.
Our business is very simple. It's a high-protein frozen meals.
I never thought that I can start a business from my hobby, making some jewelries.
I would like to say a big thank you to Skills4Startups for inviting us.
Thank you, Skills4Startups.
I want to thank Skills4Startups for giving me this opportunity.
People are truly into starting their own business. They really want to be their own boss. They really want to enter the entrepreneurship world, but they want to be successful business leaders.
We were so proud to feature Sophia Azam in the Diamond magazine, which Skills4Startups represent how they can improve their business and anything that they need in their own personal development to grow their business.
Bridging the gap between theory and practice is quite important, and I think we need to be very creative when it comes to the teaching in the classroom.
It's about looking at creating ecosystem. Is really important for creating entrepreneurship. Thinking about how we can promote not culture of compliance, but culture of creativity.
I'm very much in favour of getting out to the buildings, getting into round tables, getting into facilities of change.
It's really important that we move away from the sage on the stage to much more the guide on the side.
The event has been absolutely phenomenal. This is our fourth London Global Business Roadshow, and we have had a fantastic time listening to some of the most phenomenal speakers. Our audience has been the most interactive audience we have ever invited to the show. What an incredible set of wisdoms and insights that were shared today, from artificial intelligence, streamlining businesses, brand elevation, public speaking, as well as what are the tools out there that can help you launch your idea, build your business, scale your business. We're going to continue to expand our 500 startups worldwide. We are now heading back to America in 2026. We will be coming back to London to invite another 100 companies to join us, and together we can learn and help build your businesses.